Hi everyone, we are going to have some fun and we're going to work with graphing Olaf today. Something fun before the holidays. So we took some Frozen winter theme from the movie Frozen, and if you're on this one in particular, this video, you chose to work with Olaf. So you should have graphing paper. If you didn't print it out, please make sure you do, or get a piece of graphing paper and make sure you have your x-axis and your y-axis. Make sure your x-axis is going 1 through 35 and your y-axis is going 1 to 45. Make sure 0 is at your corner, okay? So here are your ordered pairs. And if you remember, ordered pairs are x, comma, y. So we're only dealing with the first quadrant. So x is always going to the right and y is always going up. This is only for the first quadrant, okay? So we have a lot of ordered pairs here, but I see a lot of start and stops. The whole point of start and stop is to make sure that you are connecting. So you're connecting the ordered pairs with a line from here when you start to here when you stop. Once you get to the next set, you do not connect them. You start here and then connect throughout here and then stop. Okay. So we're going to start a few, and I'll do a little bit with you and then I'll let you continue on your own. All right. So it says to start, and the first one is 17, comma 37. So I'm going to go to 17 and I'm going to go up to 37, which I think is here. I'm going to double check. 17 and 37. Okay, good. So I'm going to just check it off on the side because I don't want to cross it off just in case I have to go back. So now 1837. So I'm going to go to 18 and I'm going to go up to 37. And then remember what I said, right away, you're going to connect them. So you're going to take any straight edge. I'm home. For some reason, I don't have a ruler. I don't know why. So I connected them with my straight edge and I'm going to check it off. So now I have 18, comma 36. So 18, go get them real quick. I'm on the video. So 18, comma 36. So here's 18. And then I'm going to go up to 36. And then I'm going to connect them. All right, so check that off. And then I have 17, comma 36. So here's 17. And I'm going to go up to 36. And then I'm going to connect. And you have to connect right away. You can't wait till the very end because then you're going to get yourself confused and on which one you're supposed to connect to. And then 1737. Now, if you notice, we already have 1737. It's not always going to happen this way, but it's asking you to basically stop where you started. It's basically connecting into a full circle or a full square. All right, it's not always going to happen. It actually happens again one more time here, but not here. Okay, so sometimes it will and sometimes it won't. So let's do the next one. So we're done with our first section. Now we're going to go here. So we're going to start at 1835. So I'm going to go to 18. And I'm going to go up. Where's 35? 35 is here. Now I'm not connecting because I'm starting a brand new section. 1637. So 16. 16. This is 35, 36, 16, 37. Okay, so we are connecting 1835. We're connecting here to 1637. And if you notice, it's going to go through another dot. That's okay. Okay, as long as you're connecting from the first to the second dot. And if any other coordinates go in it, that's okay. Cross off, cross off. All right, so 1738. So I'm going to go to 17. And I'm going to go, oh, I lost it, 17. And I'm going to go to 38. All right, so I'm going to connect these two. Okay, and I'm going to chalk that off. And then 1838. So 18. 38. Connect those two. I know you can't see the bottom, the x-axis. I'll make sure I try to do that. Okay, so next is 1937. So 1937 is here. All right, so check those off. Connect them. 1936, so 1936. Connect those two. And then 1835, which I believe we already did. And you're going to connect those two because that dot we already did. Okay. All right. So that's done. We're done with that. Now we're going to start again. So 1937, which we already have. Okay. You notice it, but that means that we're just starting there again. So we're going to start here at 1937 and we're going to connect to 2038. So 2038. I think I did the right one. Yep. So we're going to connect those two and then you just keep going. So we're going to do 21 to 38 and connect. And let's do one more. 22 to 37. Oh, 37 is here. Let's make sure that's 22. And then I'm going to connect those two. And then just keep going, connecting them, but make sure this will be your last one to stop at. Okay? Have fun. Let me know if you need me.